Hey, welcome back to the Fix It Show. We're back at the shop. Just got back from Gary's Quartzes at SoCal Mako. Thanks for helping us out with some bead blasting and vapor blasting. I don't know if you know it yet, but we're storing a 75 Elsinore CR125, 1975, and this was a real basket case when we got it. Cowboy Dave has already stripped the tank, fixed a few dents, and gave it a beautiful paint job with clear coat. Had the frame sandblasted, and Dave gave that a jet black gloss paint with a clear coat over it. We redid the steering bearings and painted up the stems and cleaned up all the chrome on the triple clamps. Repainted the brakes. They had to get some few parts on eBay, like a backing plate. We bead blasted that up at Gary's today, and we're going to paint that for the rear backing plate. We had to find a side case, and we're going to explain. Might do another episode of fixing the pipe. See how smashed that is? It's pancaked. That's a stock 75 pipe. We're going to try and get it back up to snuff. And you can see that the seat needs a little work. We'll get a cover, foam, maybe a new pan if we need it. Over here, the front and rear fenders are all done up. Cowboy Dave did his beautiful job on the body work and paint on those. They were pretty rough. And we've done a few of these Elsinores before, and hopefully they come out as good as the TM there. But what we just did up at Gary's shop is we bead blasted and vapor blasted the fork legs. Now we're going to polish them up so they look more like stock. Just a little dot of that. Don't need a heck of a lot. Put your safety glasses on. This is a wool buffing pad. So after we get done, you get it pretty close with that, and you think you're pretty even, then you could just even it all out with a nice microfiber towel. It gets it real evened out and the swirls out. And there you go, Mr. Elsinore. Anybody at home can do this. There's no reason you guys can't do this. And if you have a better method, let me know. If you want to keep it real shiny for a long time, you can try shooting a clear coat over it with a hardener or a real good clear coat, and then it'll stay shinier longer. Otherwise you buff it every other month. But that's about it. How's it look? Thanks for watching.
You got it.
You better say your prayers, you flea-bitten varmint. I'm gonna blow you to smithereens.